This is the lineup we have. It's always good to have like-minded people. If you are coming from this side, hey, very good morning guys. Short tour where we are staying. So you have these kind of cottages here. So these are mixed cottages. So the one behind me, this one is of 4 people. So you will get 2 double beds, 1 washroom. You have the front passage and you have the back passage. So if you want, if you are here with family, you can book this cottage and you'll be able to sit outside and enjoy the sea view also. So this is the cottage we took. I'll show you what all things are there. There is no fridge, which is a drawback, so they should put a fridge here because we are in Konkan and having a fridge is necessary. There are 2 ACs, 1 AC per room, and it is good, but I only missed fridge here. So I'll show you a little bit around. Like other Konkan area, you'll find coconut trees all over. Let me turn my camera and show you. So you have coconut trees and these cottages. And after that, let me go this side. So as soon as you come out from back side, you have this nice view of sea from here. So let's go this side. So this is the boundary here, and from here, if you see, this is a beach. The property is very clean. The food which we had yesterday night, it was good. And if you see the distance between 2 cottages, it is also good. So you'll have your privacy and everything looks clean. So yeah, if you're coming here, I'll put a link in description box. Do check. And this is the only property here which is on beach side. So due to some reason we are heading back, or couldn't see the sunrise also because it was at other side of the hotel. और ये जो कॉटेज देख रहे हो आप राइट हैंड साइड में, ये 2 लोगों के लिए है, और जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में जहाँ पे हम लोग रुके थे, दैट वाज फॉर 4 पीपल. सो हेडिंग बैक टू पार्किंग नाउ. गणपति बप्पा मोरया, मंगल मूर्ति मोरया. Okay, so done with breakfast. So we had complimentary breakfast here and it was good. We had poha, omelette, toast butter and everything, and it was good. So this is the lineup we have. It's always good to have like-minded people. If you are coming from this side, so this was a quick ride to Ratnagiri. I know we have not covered much. There is too much here to cover, but you need to have minimum 2 complete days here, and we had time restriction kind of thing. We just wanted to ride this time, so that's why we couldn't cover most of the stuff. So this is Abhate Beach. You have Lokmanya Tilak. They born here, so their house is here. Then we have other few places to visit here. But yeah, obviously you need more time to do that. So maybe next time we'll cover the remaining stuff. I'm thinking to come here with my family, so maybe that time we'll cover. But yeah, it's amazing place to be if you are looking for short break. Then yeah, it's worth it. About hotel, yeah, rooms are good. The plus point for this place is beachside. The only thing I felt, the breakfast time, it was time consuming. We wanted, they informed us like 7:30 they'll serve a breakfast, but even by 8:30 we had nothing much than bread and tea. So अभी हमने सेम रूट लिया है अभी तक तो. So we are crossing this Dabhole Ghat. So you have to be very patient here because the road is narrow and you'll find these big loaded trolleys, trucks. So we're kind of stuck from last 10-15 minutes. We're not able to go ahead. It's frustrating, but yeah, you have to be patient. घाट में कुछ पैचेस ऐसे हैं, ये अम्बा घाट है, कुछ पैचेस ऐसे हैं जो एग्जैक्ट टर्न पे है एंड काफ़ी बैड कंडीशन में है. तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा केयरफुल रहना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे. ओके, सो यहाँ से पीछे चले गए हैं बाकी के लोग जो पुणे जाने वाले हैं. युवराज एंड समीर वो दोनों कोल्हापुर में ही है ड्यू टू कोविड सिचुएशन एंड ऑल दैट. सो मैंने सोचा 15-20 किलोमीटर का है, सो जाके भाई को मिल लेता हूँ और फिर आगे जाता हूँ. वैसे भी 20 किलोमीटर का डिस्टेंस है, बाकी के लोग आगे जाके लंच करने वाले, तो मे बी मैं घर पे खा लूँगा. सो आई एम गोइंग टू कोल्हापुर. I'll meet them, I'll wait there for an hour or so and then I'll head towards Pune. So चलो, आते वक्त आए थे हम पुणे से, अभी हम वाया कोल्हापुर जाएंगे. सो युवराज और समीर यहाँ से राइट लेंगे क्योंकि वो साइड रहता है कोल्हापुर में, और मैं अभी जा रहा हूँ स्ट्रेट टू होम. सो लेट्स डू वन थिंग, मैं यहाँ का सब निपटा के फिर मिलता हूँ, फिर बात करते हैं. सो फार आई हैव कवर्ड ऑलमोस्ट 487 किलोमीटर्स, almost 235 more to go from Kolhapur to Pune.
Many hours later.
So as usual I happen to stay back in Kolhapur. I was thinking like I'll have lunch and then I'll leave for Pune, but पता नहीं क्यों यहाँ पे stay करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है मुझे. So I stayed and right now it's 8 a.m. and I've left Kolhapur. Today is a working day, so I have to reach and log in also. So yeah, let's go and enjoy another 235 kilometers Kolhapur to Pune. Hey guys, so finally back home. Had amazing ride और ये मेरा फर्स्ट राइड था जैसे कि मैंने बोला 2021 का, और काफ़ी मज़ा आया। 600 to 700 किलोमीटर्स का ये राइड हो चुका है, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली कुछ चीज़ें मैं कवर नहीं कर पाया क्योंकि एक दिन का राइड था हमारा, ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं था हमारे पास। सो वी स्पेंट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम ऑन भाटे बीच। अगर आप 2 दिन लेके जाते हो यहाँ पे, देन यू हैव रत्नदुर्ग फोर्ट, यू हैव गुहागर बीच, आपके पास थीबा पैलेस है, लोकमान्य तिलक जो यहाँ पे बॉर्न हुए थे, रह रहे थे। सो यू हैव तिलक अली म्यूजियम हियर। सो 5-6 चीज़ें हैं आपके पास जो आप कवर कर सकते हो अगर आप 2 दिन के लिए जा रहे हो तो। सो ट्राई करो, 2 दिन के लिए विजिट करो ये प्लेस और एंजॉय करो। सो आज के लिए ये इतना ही रखते हैं हम लोग। ये फर्स्ट राइड था मेरा। कुछ राइड ऑलरेडी प्लान हो रहे हैं फॉर 2021 और कुछ ट्रिप्स भी प्लान हो रहे हैं मेरे फैमिली के साथ। सो मे बी नेक्स्ट व्लॉग जो आएगा वो मेरे फैमिली के साथ रहेगा। सो आज के लिए बस इतना ही रखते हैं। अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है देन लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो मेरे चैनल को और शेयर भी करो अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ। बाय बाय।